Guys, welcome back to another video. Super Avocado here, and today we'll be playing more Slime Rancher 2. This is the third part. Let's do it. We're logging on.
Whoa!
So let's do it. Let's get back to my Slime Rancher farm. I've done a lot of stuff since the last time I was recording Slime Rancher 2. So, like, I have bought a new area. I have bought a silenced pen. I've been growing some food. Speaking of that, it's about time I feed my guys some water lettuce. Some extra plants. I bought an expansion area, which will probably go a lot towards gardens for food. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go with some new areas for some food. This is number 20. Now it's time I go feed these guys. And eat all those. You guys get all these pogo fruits. And all I do is I'm gonna suck all these plants up. I know there's like at least gonna be a few more. I can only hold one more. Now we'll suck up some of these, which now we've got in 50 ports for these, which I might as well suck those. I can deliver them. That ain't good. I want to make some largos, so I better go start. I think I'll make a habitat for the philosopher slimes. Their slime is worth a decent amount of money, actually. So we need to get a dim light thing. Okay. So collect some more of these plorts, and a bunny's gotten out of the pen, so I'm gonna go collect you and shoot you back in. He went flying. Oh my god. And he's not in there yet. Get in there. Stay. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna bring the rest of these. Got those. Then we're also gonna bring in all of these. Or I should say the least the remaining of them, because we only got 6 left. Let's go for it. Okay, so farmed myself some more money, of course. I got so much. What's I gotta collect? I'm assuming that's it. There may be a few more. Certainly. Nope, that's it. Now it's time to make a good habitat for the philosopher slimes. So, I've got that pen, like I said. Now, do I have everything for it? I'm gonna want to buy that, the solar shield. I'll buy some auto feeders. Now I'll give these guys some auto feeders. Okay, let's go. We got, okay, for these guys, it's probably a better idea to buy the internet. Yeah, bring the auto feeder, I don't need that right now. But now our mission is to go grab the philosopher slimes. Well, I still can. And I don't know what food they eat, so there's one. Got one. just like just for the philosopher's slaves. They bring all the light, so they're pretty easy to spot once you get to find them. That's no... surprising. And, oh, there's one. There's another one. Shoot you out. Give me these two. It's starting to become daytime again, which they don't normally spawn during daytime, so I'm just gonna grab as many of them as possible. There's one. Give me that. Okay, give me you. Got ya. Oh, there's a bigger one. Oh my god. No. It's starting to get into the time where they're not gonna spawn. They're gonna find as many as possible. Okay, so what's up here first? Now we're in the land of the tabby cats again. I want to go to a different area. So, hey, I found a cave. Cool. What's inside here? Emeralds. It's a part. Oh man, it won't make me rich. Oh man, I wish I could be rich off of those. I've gotten basically, I think, all the philosopher slimes I could get for, but I'm gonna go further and see what else I can find for new slimes. Maybe I'll never know. And maybe I'll find some new slimes. If I look, there's a random pink slime. What did he drop? Nothing really useful to me. Oh well. It's about time I... Hey, I made it from a new guy. Oh! God, that was close to off the edge. Where am I? Let's... Hey, this area looks kind of like new-ish. This looks like an area I haven't been in yet. There's ought to be a new slime around. Nope, just some hens. And make sure there's nothing down here that can murder me. Good. Oh man. That's about it. So it's about time I go back to this ranch. There also could be something around here. I feel like it'd be very unlikely to be a new slime. It'd be pretty cool if there was. Yes, I made it. Nope. If anything, I'll be able to do like a... Aww. Okay. It's about time I head back. Just gotta figure out where my ranch was. Here, no clue where it was. I don't think it was over here. But never know, this could lead to some new area if I could just make it up there, which I did. And I'm not gonna make it over there though, so I could just find my way back. I feel like the way back home was over this way. Okay, I remember. Yeah, I think it is this way. I'll see it. I'm getting back to the area where the bunnies are. I see the house. Okay, we get back with all the only few philosopher slimes I could find, which are 9 of them. Not the best amount, but also not the least amount I could have gotten. I was able to find some. make ourselves a new what do these guys eat? Diet fruit. Okay. I'm just gonna gather a massive amount of quartz so we can also start making auto fillers. When we get that massive amount, I'm gonna need to make an auto. Or for now, I'm just gonna start launching carrots inside of here to give to these guys. So I feel like that one means I would want another part of the garden. So I'll gladly take just a pure 20 of these. Thank you. How many do I got left in my bag? Well, so far it doesn't look like I have any left. So let's turn these things in. And we got enough to make another garden, which but we got this new area. Is it this area? No, it must be over here of where. Yes, no, it's the Arcway. It's a new area. It doesn't really have any new slimes in it. So it's just such an area I bought. Small area. So I think why did I do that? I'll probably never use this. Oh well. Okay, there is some of these. I would need one of. Okay, there is some of these trees around, which I would need to. And did we just find an area around and maybe get to a new area? That would have been sick, but I don't think we did. Okay, there we go. Now we got some ripe versions of these. I feel like those are the ones I just was looking at. Now I'm just gonna make this grow like this. Okay. I need to start getting upgrades for my jetpack, upgrades for my character. I'll put a medium. Look at all these. So far we only got one port. This does give me 31 coins. But now, I'm gonna sleep in tonight. Start getting more philosopher slimes. Not only that, now I have a whole load of carrots I can pick up to get myself some more food now to feed those slimes. Some of them actually look like they became rotten. Oh god, it's the first massive load of these things I've had. Okay, now we're gonna start auto feeding. So this is I'm gonna give these all some of these. And now we got more water levels, so And now give the other load of 20 to the other one. Here that I can fill up. Yeah, I'll give the water lettuce. First stack of water lettuce, and the rest of them, all the water lettuce will go to the bunnies, and the carrots will now go towards. I'll feed them enough till I gotta come back to get them, please, because I gotta get some more philosopher's slimes. So now these guys get all of these. These guys, I know this is all of their favorites. Then we're gonna go and feed these guys all the carrots. Come back for them later after I feed them all of these. After that, I gotta get some more. There's something coming out now because I probably had them out for too long. Okay, fine. We got, okay. 15 water lettuce. We all these, and now we're gonna give the philosopher slimes these. Feeder which got 40 of them now, which now it's time for me to go grab some more slimes. There's one. Another one. I don't need. Okay, there's a bunch. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, there's a triple stack of them. That's 7. That's a pretty good amount already. It's a pretty good amount of them already. But I can still find more. No, come here. As I can still get more of these slimes. And I might as well, but now they're eating other teleports, and I swear to God, do not eat. I need to make. I think I've almost probably gotten enough philosopher slimes. They only eat fruit, so I probably would only want a few more. They only eat fruit. Okay, I think 15 is probably a decent amount. Wait. Okay, but there is some more of them. Which way is the conservatory? It's the other way. We'll make them do that one. There it is. So what happened now? Oh God, they're busting the fences. That ain't good. This may not be able to hold all them. Oh well, I'm still gonna give it a try. Yeah, that gives me a lot more of these slimes. We got 9 of them. Kinda cool. Please don't bust the wall. I spent so long. After a day's worth of feeding, how much have they gotten? They have the 1, 2, 3, and we got 1 too many, and now I'm gonna just look at the exact 20 of these they have. There's probably some more. No, there isn't. Okay, we still got the sizable cotton torts. We're gonna pick up. Got way too many. Oh my god, of course it's reloading marketing prices now. Okay, there we go. Because it's dropping down in price. Because I haven't traded it in so long. Surprisingly, still got a lot more of these ports. Okay. Question, was there any more? I swear to God. Okay, that was a lot. That was a lot of these. It's a lot more than normal I get. Normally don't even get close to the amount of these. Normally not even close. Okay, so I've been feeding a lot of these. Now how many of these things do I have? Take all 6 of those to trade these things in for more money. It's time to go down and make some good upgrades. I got some little bit of money. Let's go make some upgrades. So we got a resource harvester, cotton plorts. Okay, the resource harvester, and okay, get both of those, and so I need some pink and how did you guys get down here? My God. I literally just made it to a new area. I wonder what's up here. Can I even get up here? The jetpack, yeah, I definitely could. No, so I need pink and cotton quartz. Nope, wrong way. That shouldn't be that hard. That shouldn't be that hard to find. Assuming that I have them right here. And, okay, the carrots are ready, so the carrots are ready, which that means I could easily just feed them right here to make it good. There we go. So, I need 10 pink quartz, so it's going to feed them 10. Then I need a lot more hoppity quartz. That's all I have for them for so far. There's the 10 of those I needed. No, so far I only got 10. I need 8 more, so I need some more food. Which honestly shouldn't be that hard to find. Let's go find some carrots. carrots. Carrots in the wild and no, I won't. Don't touch another one of those. Oh, look at me that. Workers found the cotton plants in the wild, but rather. Oh no. No, don't eat these. No, let me get those so I can help some people. Die. I've almost gotten enough. Give me that. Give me these. Give me these. I got enough. Run. And there it should be. Let's go down here and let's get ourselves the... Okay, so... No, it should... And also, I would like... We got some of those now. Got all my new tech, and let's get back up here. Jump, made it. Let's give myself some new tech. It's still dispensing, huh? Really not enough. Some more money out of it? No. What was you know? How do I use that? Okay. Okay, let's go like... Go pick one of these stoves after that. I'm gonna end the video here after I get one of those, where the ore things. So I just bought that upgrade and I'd like to see what it drops on us. Oh my god. Now I can't find any of them. Maybe... No, there's none right there. Why was he going right there then? I don't know. And... Okay, so... There's probably some ores out here I can shake loose. There is one. It's a jelly cell. So there's not even a food. Okay, but it helps you make stuff at least. Take some more jelly-stone. End the video here. Bye, guys.